Hey guys, what's up? So, today we're doing another unboxing. I feel like I've done like millions of unboxings. It's kind of annoying. No, I've only done like 3, which are the only videos I posted. No, I take that back.
Stop motion.
The one, what?
The stop motion I got
It wouldn't post. It was being stupid. But, so, the one unboxing I did was a 50-car Christmas unboxing. And the video wouldn't post. Okay? And then, the other one I did, my friend was on it, and he's not allowed to be on the internet, which we did not know until later that day. After he had already left, he came to school the next day and said he's not allowed to be on it. So since that, I only have one unboxing on. And also have a video with my sister. She's probably going to get a YouTube channel soon, so I'll tell you when that happens, and you can check her channel out too. Yeah. But today, we're doing an unbox. Why are your trucks up? Okay, whatever. I do want to wish you all a happy Easter. It's probably like 2-3 weeks late, but this truck just reminded me of it because she got that for Easter.
And my cousin left old Shaker Hill.
It's mine now. Old. I think it's considered mine. I don't know. Get the cars out of the way. We're going to do that. Okay. That's it. So these 3 up here, I bought and then automatically open. Actually, all these ones up here. These ones are his. He wanted to unbox them, but he's kind of impatient. So that's that. So we're gonna start off with these 2.
Oh.
You dropped my car. Okay. So we're gonna pop these open right quick. This is the zoom in, is what it's called. It's for the GoPro.
But he didn't have GoPro.
Well, obviously doesn't. Dude, if it came with a GoPro, that'd be awesome.
But it didn't have enough.
No, there's actually a set. It comes with like a GoPro, and then this car, and it comes with something else, I think. What are you doing?
Yeah, blow.
But yeah. So we're gonna pop these ones open right quick.
Oh, and guys, just warning you, I'm a really bad unboxer.
Well, if you take it and you pull it really fast, and you usually want to find like these air pockets, so you can see how it's darker here and then it's light. Find the air pocket and you pop it, and it comes right out like that.
I don't like that.
So my birthday was a couple of days ago.
Yeah, but
it was the day after Easter Monday, so the 23rd. And my party's tomorrow. If anybody sees this video at this moment, today's May 3rd, so tomorrow's May 4th. It's Springfield Rolling from 4 to 6. It's my birthday party. If you want to come, go ahead. I probably won't even know you, but go ahead. Because obviously, you're a fan. And I'll enjoy meeting any of my fans. But yeah, Springfield Roller Rink from 4 to 6.
Yeah, and, funds. No funds. It's too old.
Oh, sweet. This one actually doesn't look too bad. I thought it looks really good. I like that. It looks really good. Okay. Whoa. These tires are huge. These tires. Okay. Next one. Come on, I gotta go grab.
So,
grab something real quick.
I'm just gonna grab these 2.
You line them up.
Okay, there you go. If you guys really want to know,
back here.
He has this one. What is it?
I'll tell him later.
But you can open that after.
Sadly, I just watched the Talladega race last night. Sadly,
and there's a crash.
Shh. Okay, trying to talk, man. But sadly, Ricky Stenhouse hit the hole on the final lap. That really sucks for him. Congratulations to Chase Elliott. I know this is not the right car, but congratulations to him for the win.
Yay!
And also, I know this is like a month and a half late, but congratulations, Kyle Busch, for winning 200 races. You're like 203.
What?
203, 204, something like that. I don't even remember. Okay, next car. Cameron, grab your car. Get ready. And go. Oh, wow, this is harder.
Yeah,
that was easier. Hey, Trin.
I realized that the camera's on. So.
Okay.
I'm gonna say out. Did you know that
I like this dull black. I did not notice that it was a dull black when I bought it. This looks really nice.
I think what I did.
It has flames. That's cool. That's
Can I see it?
And we got a good Ford Shelby here.
I love the blondie.
I kind of see it.
Patriots, but like the same blood, but not the favorite teams.
Shush. Okay, next car.
What's mine?
Yeah.
Here, open the same one.
Hey, I see one trade.
Make sure the camera's still rolling. It's acting up lately. Is it rolling? Okay, you need to check it every so often. Just make sure it's still rolling. This truck
Can
is
I open
actually
one?
really good looking. Yeah, I'll let you pop one open.
Yeah. But I want to open this one.
Yeah. Try.
Okay.
Hold on.
I just got out of the shower, guys.
Okay, here we go.
Chen,
Oh, wow, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Ooh, that's actually really cool.
This is almost like a Batman.
Yeah, I actually have. I just got it. So, I want to thank Dollar General for going on sale. Because they went on like a buy one, get one. Yeah, it was a buy one, get one free sale for cars.
This is like a Batman.
And,
Wait, can I? Oh God. Okay.
they went on a buy one, get one free sale. I'm like, yeah, sold. Here. You have to open another one.
Yeah, he got a whole bunch of these. Hey, I'm supposed to open that one. You're supposed to
No,
open
I'm opening this one.
Okay. Do this one.
Okay, ready?
That Lamborghini.
Go. No, it's not. It's a Ford. I don't even know.
Ow!
Oh, you did perfect on that one. I did terrible.
Ooh, I like that one.
Look at this.
You should keep collecting those and keep making videos with those.
The Ford GT Race.
Oh,
I heard that
Ford.
upside down. It still looks really good. How do you say
Hold on.
ew, Ford?
Here you go, Chen.
How did you not see the giant Ford symbol in front of the
Here
car?
you go, Chen. Okay, I'm gonna this one teddy bear.
Oh,
I kind of like.
So look, see the back seat. There's a teddy bear in the back.
Okay, here we go.
I kind of like the
3,
design of
2,
it.
1, go.
I own it.
Man, this thing is not going good for me.
So like there's a little teddy bear in the back.
Yeah, there's a little teddy bear in the back of that one. It's like a it's called the diaper dragger.
See, look, teddy bear in the back. Teddy bear.
I don't even think they saw that.
So tiny. So tiny. Yeah, Chen's starting her other YouTube channel. And it might be on
Readers.
It might be on
Probably sooner or later, I'm gonna have a channel called Slime Sisters with Lily and Carly. I'm gonna do this one.
Like the one that
we're
Carly's
going
the
to
one
in
that
order.
claws to death.
Okay.
Be nice. Okay, here we go. Pop it open.
I would pop.
Oh, that was easy.
Look
This thing looks really good.
at this.
I like the colors on this one. I like the neon.
Hey, Chen,
Ooh,
look.
the
Chen,
wheels feel nice.
Chen,
Okay, on the cars. I've got to make sure the
I thought
car's
I
not
already
being
have
stupid
one of
again. Shit, phone. Oh, that kind of shook. Okay, yeah, we're still rolling. We're good.
I'm going to
drinking applesauce.
Yes, comment down below if you drink your applesauce.
That sounds like that just
I
sounds
love
really
drinking my
weird. I don't know
applesauce.
why.
I love. Oh no, not like that. The other one.
We got two. Vinto. I think that's what it's
Okay,
called.
I'm opening
We can
this
pop
one.
these bodies off. We're actually gonna switch them, just because this is the reason I got it. That actually looks really good on the orange one. That looks good. That looks really cool.
I know.
It almost makes
Doom
the orange
Daddy?
look red.
I get to open the Dune Daddy.
I guess so.
Yep.
The June Daddy.
I do want to open the Baja or the whatever that one called. Okay.
Okay. 1,
Corvette.
2,
3, 2,
1.
1, go. Oh, we counted like the opposite ways.
Oh God, mine was terrible.
Oh,
Mine
jeez.
was terrible.
Okay. Corvette C7.
Woo!
I actually have a whole collection of those going.
Oh, that's
Look,
shiny.
look, and we're gonna clean up all these afterward.
I know.
I have 2 Doom Daddies. Yeah.
Did you
The
purposely
back
do
end.
that?
No, I accidentally bought 2. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one.
Pen.
I like that.
I'll put it over
Oh,
here.
I open this one.
Okay, come
you,
on.
Shinji.
Oh, wow. I forgot to count. Oh, well, guys, pop them open. I didn't even notice this was black at first.
Jen, you
Wait,
don't get to
no,
open
No,
it.
no.
Yeah, that looks blue. I think that's supposed to.
No, it's black. I didn't even notice it was black.
That was really trashy. What?
The way he opened that. Wait, no, you're supposed to open
Is
this
this
one.
an
Oh, wow.
El Camino?
No, it's an
I still don't
Ford Ranchero. Do not
Yeah,
open it yet. Do not open it yet. Okay, guys. So-
I should open this whole
No.
thing.
No, Jenny, you got a car? Make sure you guys both have one. Make sure this camera's still rolling because I'm about to open my limited edition. I want to get it on camera. Don't ask why. Okay, so this is a limited edition Hot Wheels 50th anniversary car. And I got it at GameStop. So,
We'll
pop
go to
this open.
GameStop.
3, 2,
2,
1, go. Jenny had to like immediately draft it. Oh wow, that was a terrible tear.
Mine was good. It kind of reminds me of a skull.
Oh, this thing looks fast.
And that's what it reminded me. It honestly reminded me of an email with like a
It kind of reminds me of Carl.
That don't make no sense to me.
Skulls just.
Oh, it's a metal.
What?
Oh, this looks really cool. I like that. That looks really good.
Whoa.
Gold. And look at that.
Metal.
The hood opens. Guys, this hood opens. That's really awesome. The front end looks like a GTO, but it's like Cougar. Yeah, Cougar. Okay, now I just got this from my neighbor. Or no, this is the one I bought. I got a different set from my neighbor. I'm gonna pop this one open.
Hey, you can actually clip this onto your book bag.
There's never really a proper way to open these ones. I just like doing this. And there we go. We have the Dodge Daytona. This is my favorite kind of car. It's the King.
I was about to say that.
They got a Dodge Challenger. We got a 2012 Mustang, a Ford Toronto, and a Firebird.
Okay, guys. But you guys can actually clip this onto your book bag.
No.
Is it candy?
No, that's you put it on your. It's a clip for your shirt.
And you can put it on your book bag if you want.
Okay. Well,
I know.
Well, guys, thank you for watching the
if
Easter. This is, I guess I could call this an Easter special. Thanks for watching. I'll be coming out with a birthday special really soon, probably very, very soon.
But if you're new here, subscribe.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button for more unboxing. If you want something else to happen, make sure you comment. Tell me what you want to watch.
Yeah, and got some connection. I might make some videos.
Yeah, we'll probably do like a Monster Jam, like highest jump or farthest jump.
thing.
I'm kind of hoping I can get a GoPro.
I
I
know.
want to get a GoPro and put it like on. I want to put it like facing upward on this car. Set it down on the
Only
track, and it's looking straight up, and then the monster truck jumps over.
And
And
that's
hits
how I
it
was
slow
thinking.
motion.
So I thought my car. Screw you, Jen.
Hey, don't say that. Okay,
We
guys.
love each other.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the like button too.
Oh, also the bell so you can get notifications so you don't miss another one of his videos.
Yep. We'll tell you when she comes out with her channel. It's probably gonna be soon because her birthday's coming up, and she's gonna get some kind of device for her channel.
Some kind of device.
So we'll see you all on the next video.
Hold on.
Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.
And if you like Pokemon, just subscribe. I'm editing that out.